What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I have some exciting news. I have been given the opportunity to take this 1972 Volkswagen Super Beetle from this garage. It's as close to a barn find as you can find because it's been in this garage for about the last 15 to 20 years. And what I'm going to do is bring this home and give it to my mom as a present, since she's always wanted to have another Volkswagen Beetle. And so what I want to do with these pictures is to show you what it looked like when I first got it. I didn't take any videos. This was before I was doing YouTube, so I only have these pictures to show you. But this was offered to us from my wife's aunt. Her uncle had owned this car and he had passed away, so it was sitting in the garage for years. There was something that was wrong with the front end and it had not been on the road for a very long time. As you can see, the engine wasn't running. It wasn't really complete. The interior was a pretty big mess. It was moldy and disgusting in there. So this will be getting a whole brand new interior when I am done with it. The back seat, like you can see here, is gross. The carpet's fallen down. The headliner needs to get replaced. It all is completely junk. This was one of the only spots where I really did see any rust. This is battery goes on the floorboard, and you can see a little bit more rust up by the rocker. So I knew this was going to have to do some patch panels and some welding. Couple more pictures from the outside, just showing you, it didn't have wheels on it. It was full of junk in the front. The car had been sitting, so they were not concerned about putting stuff on it or under it. As you can see in this picture, I'm pretty sure this is what caused the car to come off the road. The whole strut rusted out, so the spring fell down on top of the control arm, and that's when it got parked. You can see in this picture the bottom of the strut is on top of the brake hose. And on the opposite side, the ball joint is hanging off there. He had screwdrivers in the holes trying to hold it together. So I'm pretty sure this is what caused the car to come off the road, because he couldn't find the parts or whatever reason. It never got put back on. So then I picked it up and I brought it home. These are the pictures from when I first brought it home. I did not tell my mother that I was getting her a Volkswagen, so I surprised her with it. I am an auto body technician, so I told her that if I got her a Volkswagen, I would do a full restoration on it for her. So this is the very beginning. I will be posting up lots of videos and the progress of me working on this car. This is not going to be a very quick restoration. This is going to be a very long restoration. I'm going to go through every single thing I can, inside, outside, full body work, full paint, everything at the house, in the garage. So make sure you guys check this out. Make sure to subscribe also, because there'll be tons of videos on this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns with this car, and I will see you next time.